This is a blizzard, snowstorm. Sure. See if I can capture the winds. Pretty strong. Snow is all over in there. It's going in my face. This is through my balcony. You can see in the light. You can see the flags fluttering. And there's a car. There's a brave guy driving a car in this weather. I wonder where that plane is going to land. Maybe in St. Louis. That's it. Go indoors.